we are going to pick a picture that we want to draw, and then pick a scale you want to use over that picture and draw a grid using that scale that you decide is easiest for you to use. And then go to your final drawing paper and increase the scale of your grid by however much that you want to increase it, and go ahead and draw a light grid on your final drawing paper. And then what you need to do is begin going box by box of your grid on your drawing paper and draw exactly what you see on your small original picture. And if you struggle with shading, print your picture in black and white, because that'll help you indicate how to shade to make it more realistic. And draw the prominent details first, and then start filling in with your choice of media. Then from here, you guys, I'm just gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.
See your shadows